Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a birthday spread for the maknae line of Pentagon, which is Kino, Yudo, and Woosak. They all have birthdays really close together, so I decided to do just one single spread for them. There are some really cute pictures of them together, so I thought I would use those. I've actually been planning to use them since like last year when I started this journal. So now I'm finally using them, and yeah, this is a pretty simple spread. So once again, I don't really have a lot to say about it, so I'm just going to leave it to some music. I hope you guys enjoy. So here's a look at the final spread. Even though this is a really simple spread, I think that it turned out pretty cute. Will I ever stop using this ripped paper method? Probably not, but I still like it. So if you guys also liked it, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.